Stay tuned to this video to see how you can get your free stuff. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're having a little trouting trip in Old Faithful. This one I got stowed away in the woods into a dandy little pond. We're going to try for a few trout, but first we got to fix this guy. Now I know I'm not going to fix this here. You can thank Igor for that one, but we got to try to patch this a little bit better. This here worked for a while, but me and the young fellow was out a couple weekends ago, and let's just say it's got a bit wet. Let's look at this end. Now there's no shame on this canoe. This canoe has I'm going to say 1,000,000 miles. If I had $1 for every kilometer that I put on it, you can see how it's wore through on both ends. And this side here, I believe, is the side that a black bear bit into it. So I'm going to give that there a try. Water weld. I'm going to stick it on both ends. It's supposed to have a clean surface, but I haven't got none here to really clean this off, so we're just gonna wing it. Smells awful. Try to get down the bulk of that stuff there. So I got both ends of the canoe done now. I wish I had more. I should have bought 2 tubes. But we'll give that a try. We got to leave it for an hour, so we got to head back to the truck because we forgot
the anchor.
Yeah.
It was your fault.
Oh, probably was.
We got like halfway and you were like...
So we'll go out and grab that. We'll come back, put that in the water, and see if we don't sink. Stay tuned. So we made it back to the truck. We got the anchor, but we still got like 40 minutes for that stuff to dry. So let's go for a little quad ride while we're waiting. Folks, we're back. It's a hot one. That was a nice little ride. It's sat up pretty good. Not too bad, but we can't wait no longer. We got to give it a try. So we're going to put her out and sink or swim.
Hope for the best.
Sink or swim. Think about it. It don't even make sense. If you're sinking, you're going to swim.
Yeah.
Okay. Fish or swim. There we go. I don't see no sprouts of water yet. So anyways, I'm planning on doing my first giveaway. My very first one. Sean from That's the Spinner. Spinner I use all the time faithfully. And it catches me really good trout. Really quality made spinner. He's been kind enough to send me some spinners for a giveaway. So I believe, I don't know, I'll show them on here anyway. It's his most popular spinners. I'm going to give them away, and I'm also going to give a custom Newfie Country Boy tackle box. It's not really custom, it's just a tackle box with a Newfie Country Boy sticker on it. So yeah, sometime through this video I'm going to tell you guys how you can win that. But right now we are going to head down and see if we can catch some trout. Want to see that beaver come up again?
What?
Want to see that beaver come up again? Oh, I see trout jumping down there.
Where?
Straight down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we anchor off like beaver dam?
In between the rock and the beaver dam, I think.
Yeah. Okay, because then we can cast, we got enough rain to get to there. My spinner can do. I'll get Blake to do that. Did you get that video?
Ooh.
Yeah, I think you got one on.
I think I got one.
You get all the way back there.
Pretty sure I got one, yeah. Look,
Oh, nice.
I got one.
Dandy one.
My rod.
Oh, got a Blake.
Mr. Man,
What?
show us your trout, look. Dandy.
Yeah, feel like he's full of flies.
Full of flies, he probably is. Many flies is around here.
I know. Dandy.
Let's reel it in and show us the hook that you caught it on, look.
Oh, sweet.
You're reeling trout while you're at it.
Yeah.
What do you got there? Let's keep it right there.
Yeah.
Green and white, or green and white.
Green and silver.
Green and silver. That's what you got her on, eh? Lots of whites too. This here is one of Sean's spinners. Nice spinner. Quality made. They come with the hooks, the swivel, the whole works. I'll take him down below. I used to use Lucky Strike all the time. That was my go-to spinner. And I tried Sean spinners, and to be quite honest, all handmade and absolute quality. Takes pride in his work. And it's local too. I always like to support local. Oh yeah, there we go.
Nice one.
Yes, sir. No!
I'll take him from you.
Oh, man. Oh, he was right there.
Where? Yeah.
Oh, that was a nice one. Well, oh, sure he took me bait, though. I think I had you beat on that one.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll never know.
Yeah.
I think I sort of anchor up from it.
Yeah, because we can cast down too.
Then we can cast down too, because I think that's where they were staying to before we ran up on us.
Yeah.
Oh. Strange is this pond's usually got all mud or all rocks, but
What?
too busy trying to get the shot and loses a fish.
Was it a good one though?
Huh?
Was it a good one?
Yeah, it seemed nice. Sure, you seemed to come at the
Yeah,
water.
he was hauling. He was hauling pretty nice.
Oh well.
Yeah, it is what it is.
That's two now I lost.
Yeah.
3.
Two.
2.
Well, no, two good ones actually.
2 good ones.
And you lost a small one over there.
Last few small ones, yeah. Let's try the beaver's house back there.
it. They call it, or came right into it.
Yeah, they're not biting it hard, but that one there come right into the water.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm putting my line out there.
No. Oh,
That was a good one. that would have been the biggest one.
right to the boat.
That was a nice one.
Right to the boat.
That was a dandy trout.
That was a dandy, and he took me worm, look.
That was a good trout, that was.
These spinners are that good, I'd almost say that you throw a beer hook out and you get a fish.
Oh, definitely.
That was a nice one though.
Oh, it was.
Huh?
You should have seen. You see him turn over.
Yeah, I seen it. I got polarized glasses on.
Oh, you seen it better.
Yeah.
That was a dandy trout.
I think I had to beat there.
Oh, definitely. You might have it beat from the last one I had. Last one we were here. That was a nice trout.
Boys down the cove got lots to say.
Yes. I guess you're trying to tell us there's a fish down there. You must be trying to tell us something.
This old canoe was Dad's original canoe, and I learned how to paddle in this canoe. And I'm going to say I put just as many kilometers on this canoe as Dad has. He passed it down to me. It's just an old Coleman 15.5-foot canoe. I just found it's heavy and it's slow. It's not slow, but it's slow. Slower than my new one. Now I got my new one. I love my new one, but or new to me, I should say. But in any bit of wind at all, two people got to paddle hard, and I mean hard, just to keep her straight in the wind. This one here, my young fella's sitting up front now. If a gale of wind come up, I can just paddle and no worries. And I'm guessing it's because this one got a keel. I'm not sure. But the other one's fast. Sometimes it's nice just to take things slow though. Especially out here. Still no water, Skipper?
No. Looking good up here. I wouldn't expect to get a bite there.
Ah, boy, this pond's strange. Sometimes you come here and not get nothing.
Yeah.
Got one.
Nice one.
Oh, lost one.
You're thinking.
I got now.
Nice. That's a nice one. That's a dandy one. Hurry up and get me.
Oh, boy.
Jeez.
Oh, yes, sir.
You still didn't beat me. No, you're not. Yeah, I think some mine's still bigger.
Dandy pan size, boys. That's a spinner. They loves it.
Fucking cast is what? One little guy. Small one or is it big?
I don't think they're very big. Oh, yeah, maybe not. Maybe so.
Oh yeah. Still not as big as mine.
Still not as big as yours, but I think that'll make her a meal.
Yeah, for sure.
Actually, you know what?
Don't come back.
Yeah, I got hurt.
Do you?
I got hurt. You gotta stay. Sorry, little guy.
Going up.
Gonna taste something good though.
There.
I don't know where we're going. I'd like to say somewhere out in the wind.
Out in the wind?
Yeah, out in the wind a bit to keep flies off
Want
it.
to go on the island?
I was thinking about it.
It looks good. We can fish on the tail.
That's all you're worried about, fishing, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Fishing.
I want to catch a fish. Oh.
That's nice.
Oh, it's nice, but it's cold. It's just, it's nice after, like when you...
Alright guys, this is what I originally had planned for lunch. Not when we got fresh trout. Shag that. I brought flour. These trout cleaned up.
mama, dude.
What are you doing, catching trout?
Yeah, it's fine.
Throw that one back if he's not hurt.
Oh, for sure.
Give her. Love trout me, do. Down back, is he? Gone. Wanna go or what?
Don't know, haven't had it yet. Deadly.
You can't beat freshly caught.
Yeah, it was like a live what? Oh, well.
Freshly caught and freshly cooked trout, you can't beat it. For those prizes, or for the giveaway, I should say. Mama always said never talk to me mobile.
Color time.
I don't necessarily, I mean, I want you to subscribe to my channel because you like my channel, so I don't want you to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to give you a prize. So hopefully if you made it this far, you've already subscribed by now anyway. But what I do want, in order to enter to win the prize, is comment down below the restaurant that I mentioned in my last video where I went to before I went hot tent camping. One comment per person. I'll enter into a draw, and I'm sorry, it was just too good. When I reach 20 comments and I reach over 1,000 subscribers, because I'm 100 shy now, then I'll do the draw. So I'll put the link to the last video down below. Go watch that one, see which restaurant I mentioned that we had a ball up in because I thought my camper was broken into. Comment that restaurant down below, and you'll be entered. For the spinners from That's a Spinner, John, amazing fella. I got him tagged down below too. Go check him out. If you don't win the prize, go ahead, look them up, get some spinners. They obviously works really well.
I love them.
And that restaurant, you can go check them out too. Dandy Grub. You know, if you can't get out and get this good stuff. We definitely got the fishing figured out anyway.
Oh, for sure.
Huh?
For sure. Look how pink it is.
I know. It's nice.
Trout here is always like that. Bone, eh?
Bony, bony. Right.
It's kind of stuck.
Sean boy, you greatly improved his chances on catching fish. But any chance you can make a spinner that don't stick to the bottom, because that's oh my.
I can literally go and get it right now.
Go on then.
No. If
That's alright, boy. We'll get in Canoe and go get it.
got no water left.
Oh, you're in hard luck. You wouldn't know, but there's a pond around us.
Got a bit of water left.
Anyways, folks, it was a great day. It was hot. It still is hot. I'm well toasted.
I'm not. I will sunscreen, just like Mom said.
Smart, see? But anyways, this time, I'll admit it, because it's on camera. Skipper actually fished me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to talk to Sean about giving you spinners. Not very good.
I don't know. I had to try something new and it worked.
Actually keeping up with the old man.
Yeah.
Sean boy, give away my secret. Anyways, thanks for following along. Good luck to you guys on the comments. Until next time, you guys keep straying on her. Thanks for watching. So we made it back to shore. Let's get an update on that stuff that I put on the canoe beforehand. Geez, my beard looks really gray in the sun. I think it held up pretty decent, actually. Really decent. It never leaked. We never got a bit wet. It's that side over there. So yeah, I'm gonna purchase more of that stuff and redo that whole boat. That worked out well.